The Mountain That Had the Hiccups. There once was a mountain, tall and grand, who was very thirsty and needed a hand. It hadn't rained for many months. Its trees grew dry and lost all their leaves and bumps. The animals nearby grew thin and flaky. They all felt sad and a bit shaky. The mountain longed for rain to ease its ache, but instead, it developed a terrible headache. That headache gave the mountain hiccups. Each rumble in its tummy made it jump. Oh dear, thought the mountain, here come the hiccups. It tried to squeeze its nose, but that didn't do much. The kind elephants came to help, spraying water from their big, strong selves. They poured and splashed, trying to aid, hoping the rain would soon be made. Weeks went by, and the hiccups boomed. Thunder roared, and clouds gloomed. Then suddenly, the sky turned black, and rain began to pour, coming back. The mountain drank the water fast, enjoying the rain at last, at last. The animals cheered, happy and free, because the hiccups were gone, and so was the drought, you see. And from that day, whenever it rained, the mountain wasn't hiccuping again. It was happy and full of cheer, thanks to the rain that brought it near. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the Story Poet Podcast.
What do you do when you get the hiccups?